Welcome to this lesson on present continuous questions. In this video, we will learn how to ask questions using the present continuous tense. This is an important skill that will help you communicate about actions happening right now. To form a question in the present continuous tense, we follow a simple pattern. We start with the verb to be, which can be am, is, or are. Then we add the subject, followed by the main verb with ing at the end. Finally, we put a question mark. So the structure is am, is, or are plus subject plus verb with ing question mark. When we make questions with I, you, we, or they, we always use the word are. For example, are you working? This asks if you are working right now. Are they playing? This asks if they are playing at this moment. Are we leaving now? This asks if we are leaving at this time. Notice that are comes first in all these questions. When we make questions with he, she, or it, we use the word is instead of are. For example, is he sleeping? This asks if he is sleeping right now. Is she studying? This asks if she is studying at this moment. Is it raining? This asks about the weather happening now. Remember, with he, she, and it, we always use is. When someone asks you a present continuous question, you can give a short answer. For positive answers, we say yes, I am, or yes, he is, or yes, they are. For negative answers, we say no, I am not, or no, he is not, or no, they are not. We can also use contractions like I'm not, he isn't, or they aren't in negative answers. We can also add question words at the beginning to ask for more specific information. The common question words are what, where, why, and who. The structure is question word plus am, is, or are plus subject plus verb with ing question mark. These questions help us get detailed answers about actions happening now. Let's look at some examples with question words. What are you doing? This asks about the activity you are doing now. Where is she going? This asks about her destination at this moment. Why are they laughing? This asks for the reason they are laughing right now. Who is he talking to? This asks about the person he is talking to at this time. Now let's practice with some questions. Try to answer these in your mind. Are you listening to music? Is your friend studying English? What are you thinking about? Where are they sitting? Practice forming these questions and answers to improve your English speaking skills. Great job completing this lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.